Good morning. Look at this. Sun's out. Beauty. Beauty. Can feel it as well. Feel the heat. So last week in January, it's going to be a red hot summer. Red hot. So as you've seen, I've been cutting the bottom porcelain. So yesterday's episode, my saw just won't work. It must have been wet, damp on inside. So I had to do other things. But yeah, we are cutting the triangle area. Put them in, as you've just seen. And now I'm working down here, which is all the angles and the long ways, the 900 way, which is harder because you have to, like, I've marked 2 out, but I can't do the third one, so I don't know if it'll land here, or, you know, within a few mil. It does matter, especially with porcelain. It needs to be clean cut. So I'm going to do this. This is a big area. This is a big flag, this one. So only a certain section, sun's well in my eyes here, a certain section of the flag, not the full 900, only like say 300 of the flag will be coming off. I'm going to show you how in a minute on that one. But my plan is today to work, it's only like 11:15. I've got a quart, one at neighbours on here, I've got a quart at dinner time. But my plan is today to get all this done down here and maybe push an extra hour. We've got no on tonight, so I might actually stay until it gets dark and get an extra few more down, see what sand's saying, see if I've got enough sand. Yeah, big push. While weather's like this, like I say, we need to be done next Sunday, next Saturday, next Friday, because we've got a landlady in Birmingham who owns half of Leeds where I live, and she has to, like, really literally to the minute book me in, just because it's tenants and they're all professional tenants, so they like to know to the minute, you know what I mean. But can't help it with weather. So but one big push on here while we've got the weather helps her out massively. So yeah, I'm going to show you how to cut this flag here. Right, so I'm going to mark, you've got a 5mm gap, I'm going to mark it 900, the flag. So 905. Then I need to measure that string line to there. on angle a bit, you'll miss it. So it needs to be square. So we've got the oldest square in the world. So 560. From this corner, 560. It's literally 40 mil. And then to get that angle, come over here with his bevel, push against his flag. I always find it better if you stick your tongue out. Just not quite big enough, so I'm going to use level. And that's his angle. Put that on your 560. And that's it. Easy as that. But then I've got to cut that, lay that one before I can measure that one. So it is a slow process. So when cutting porcelain, you'll notice I've literally just gone, I don't know, 150 mil in. Of course, I've done it on 2 sections because sometimes you lose the second line when cutting. So I've only got 150 mil in, 200 mil in there maybe, and then I pull it back and then I go around the other side. And this is quite important really, because when you go all the way through, when you get to about 70 mil from other side at flag, if the flag is not flat, no pressure on it, no nothing, it will snap. And then all that cutting is just being a waste of time, and then it's a waste of a flag. So I always do it like this. One cut on that side, one cut, and then start to cut on the opposite side. Now, as I'm coming up here, I've jumped onto the other line. But as you're getting up to where the joins meet, the cuts meet, I literally I pull it up so you score it and then going again and then going again. So you're doing it so you're not cutting all the way through in a wunner. Just so I'm not wasting flags. So many times we've done it. It's been the most important cut, and then all of a sudden, poof, it's gone. So it is important like this. And you can probably guarantee these bloody pallets that we cut on aren't flat. They're all bent and twisted. You can see there now, that should just release. Cutting nicely. And there you go, it's gone. So it is nice doing it like this. Like I say, it's just less risk, especially on an angle on the right hand side of the flag on this cut. You know, it's an acute angle, so that will just pop. So it's just for safety on your flag, you know. Reassurance. So yeah, that's how I cut them. Did anybody watch yesterday's episode? I was saying how much I love these. Right, just packed in. So to change the blade, you push a button in. The buttons are old, you've got to put it in with a hammer, pull it out with pliers. Anyway, it's not pulling out. So I've just pressed, just to see if it were half out or out like that. Press the on button, and it's just smoked. Everything's just blown up by the looks of it, and it won't start now. So, yeah, change of plan. I am. Good bad jobs this size, isn't it? 'Cause there's always something to do. I am putting this in across here, and then I'm gonna go down there as well, put porcelain, get a line, work it all out, and just plod on for the next hour and a half or something. But yeah, good job. Well, good job. Done all the way over there, and I've got to muck up. That's it. So I've only got like this section here to do. But I went for a blade. It was starting to get a bit blunt, and the porcelain, it's just got to be sharp all the time. And yeah, I've broken it. What can I do? I was praising it yesterday as well, saying we only go through one a year. It's like 90 quid, whatever it is. Yeah, need another one. Start of year, need another one. Look at that sky. Well nice. So yeah, the sun is out and I must keep cracking. Got to push on. Push. See you soon. Does that feel whole yet? It does when I'm stood here. So I've dug this corner out. That was his ramp coming in, wasn't it? So that's dug out. Bottom sleeper put in so I can still half step in and out. But I'm obviously going to leave all this until we get a saw. But yeah, it's taking shape now. I feel like I've done something, even though we do something every day. Look at the size of it. Massive. Something about a pergola in that corner, or in this section. Be good, man. And that's his path that goes up there, meeting other porcelain. You know, it's always good on a day like that. When something goes wrong, someone's coming down the street. When something goes wrong, and there's always something to bounce back onto. A couple of years ago, that were 2:30 then, I would have just gone home. I'd have packed up and gone, oh, balls to this, I'm off home. That was my thing to do. Can't do it. Not jumping onto what else, I'll do that tomorrow. But now, focused. Got to go forward. Got to go forward all the time. God, he's still here. There's a guy here, valeting. He's got a business card off him earlier. And he's still here. Like 2 hours ago, I got a business card off him. But yeah, stay focused, man. Just got to keep going. Like I say, people say, oh, you've got to work 7 days a week to earn a crust and stuff. Like, you don't turn up at 10 o'clock. Turn up at 7:30, 8 o'clock. Get out of van at 8 o'clock. Work. That's all I can say. But yeah, that is it for today. We've just got to go home now. It's actually quite late, it's 4:30. We're just going home now. Got a meeting with Frankie's school. He's off on a sports trip to France or something. So they're going to go rob some money out of us probably. So, but we'll see. But yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Have a good evening. Hope you're well. See you soon.